Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain to you how to use the Jinghao fitting software, HearLux. The first step, create a new user, click on New Patient. Red dots mark the required fields, fill in the required fields and click Next Step. Step 2, draw your audiogram. According to your hearing loss report, the audiogram will be drawn by connecting the dots in the left and right ear pictures. In order to understand the audiogram more directly, you can check the options Show Speech Counts and Show Common Icons. After confirming that there are no errors, click Next Step. Step 3. Choose Jinghao's hearing aid model. Select the power level of the hearing aid for the left and right ear, which is categorized into medium power, low power and high power. Click on Link Detection to start recognizing dosers and hearing aids already plugged into the computer. If the correct model is not recognized, you can click Retry. For the right ear, click on the right ear. For the left ear, click on the left ear, and select Continue. Select New Fitting and wait for a while. Click Next Step to enter the fourth step. Select the fitting formula. Normally check in AL2, or if your national language is toned, check in AL2 tone language. Click Next Step to enter the fifth step, editing programs and setting performance. Adjust the equalizer by moving the cursor up and down. When adjusting the loudness, select the value you want to modify, and modify the value by plus and minus. Once adjusted, you can see if your curves are correct by clicking on the magnifying glass. In this interface, we can set boot mode, stay delay time, volume button function on or off, start volume step size. Click prompt tone interface. We can control the tone and decibel size, play the prompt tone, set the prompt tone on or off. In the application manager interface, we can select the programs we want to set up. There are 4 of them. By clicking on the feedback management interface, we can turn on or off feedback control noise reduction. In case of A16 series, we also set whine noise switch and directional selection. As a final step, we can review the manuals for our product models, as well as set up fitting reports. Click on the printer icon in the upper right corner to print out the report. After finishing all operations, be sure to save and exit the. Above is the tutorial of Jinghao fitting software HearLux. If you have any questions or wish to cooperate in business, please feel free to consult our official website.